And today I am here to address one of life's greatest lessons through a very simple story actually, taken from the book You Can Win by Shiv Khera. So once there was this balloon seller. He used to sell balloons to earn his livelihood. And he used to have all kinds of balloons. Blue, red, green, yellow, white, black, you name the color, he had it. And whenever his sales went down, as in whenever he wasn't selling as many balloons as he used to, he would just take one balloon and release it into air. The children there would get so attracted that his sales went automatically up. So whenever his sales went down, just release one balloon and his sales went up. One day, he felt like someone was tugging his jacket, like someone was pulling him. So he looked there was this small child. The child asked him that what will happen if you release a black balloon? Will it go as high as the other colors? He explained it to him that son, it doesn't matter what the color of balloon is. It matters what's inside. The same principle applies to our life. It doesn't matter what our outer appearance is. It doesn't matter at all. What's important is what's inside. And what's important inside is our attitude. William James of Harvard University said that the greatest discovery of my generation, the greatest discovery is that human beings can alter their life by just altering the attitude of their mind. And ability tells us what we do. Determination tells us why we do. And attitude tells us how well we do. Most of us know the importance of positive thinking, the importance of positive attitude, but very few of us have heard and know the impact of the negative attitude on our mind. They both are so powerful, but they take us in complete opposite direction. Where the positive thinking takes us to the height we can only imagine of, can only dream of. But negative thinking takes us to the path of self-destruction. And believe it or not, but it is completely in your hands. Do you want to go to the path of self-destruction, or do you want to be successful and achieve your dreams? Think about it. Thank you.